And we're off and racing with Chris and Carl.
Go, Carl.
Carl's going up high, just a bit of starting around there. Chris is keeping good eye on Carl, but giving him plenty of space up on that bank. What are Carl's tactics going to be? He's just sitting on the back wheel at the moment.
Yeah.
Looks like Carl's gone, but Chris is gone with him.
Go, Carl.
Chris is pushing up and they're gone. Chris is gone.
Can't wait to shoot them again.
Let's see if Carl's got legs to catch up. It doesn't look at this stage. It looks like Chris is just running through that last corner. And Chris is the